Yo guys, what's up? How's it going? So today we're looking at Apple. Apple just had earnings. I was going to do an earnings play, but I ended up not. I had a feeling Apple was going to kill earnings, but I wasn't sure what the stock was going to do. I thought it might go up, but I was 100% wrong. So my plan was to sell some puts, and I didn't, luckily, because once earnings came out, they destroyed earnings. iPhone sales went through the roof, and the stock went down. Yeah, okay. See, this does not make any sense to me, other than it was already priced into the stock before the earnings blowout that they had. That's the only way I can see the stock going down from the 150 it was at. I mean, it didn't go down a whole lot, but it went down enough. I mean, take a look. We're at 145.86. It went down $4. That's totally unjustified for the earnings blowout they had. Okay, yeah, there's a chip shortage. Okay, yeah, it could affect some future sales potentially, but this is all going to get fixed and cleared up pretty soon within the next quarter or so. So, I really don't understand why the stock has gone down so precipitously. I mean, it's not a massive drop, but it would have totally wrecked my trade. So I would have had to roll these things forward. So, right now, I'm not going to be selling puts again this week because now we definitely have an indication that the stock is going down. There's definitely some momentum into the downside. If you have a whole ton of Apple stock, it might be a good time to sell some calls. I don't have that many shares. I only have a couple hundred shares of Apple. So I don't want to risk the stock popping and getting called out my shares. So I'm not going to do anything this week with Apple. I'm just going to stand pat. Not going to sell any puts, not going to sell any calls, because the stock might come down further. You can see it already came down to the moving average. It was a little overheated above the moving average, so it came down to normalize itself a little. And earnings were awesome, but they just weren't awesome enough. I've heard that somewhere before. You're awesome. You're just not awesome enough. And then your stock goes down. So, yeah. That's been a common theme with this market. It's been kind of weird. But anyway, we're probably going to see another run up here after it cools off. Because Apple's an awesome company. Projections are they're going to sell more stuff. So why wouldn't they? It's Apple. Apple Car, Apple phones, Apple this, Apple TV, Apple that, Apple whatever, Apple Watch, Apple smartwatch, Apple this, Apple that. So yeah, they got a huge product line, a lot of stuff in the pipeline, awesome stuff. Still waiting for that glass to come out, the Google Glass, and of course the competitive Apple Glass. Yeah, it'll be an interesting area once things start heating up in that area. It's pretty cool. Alright guys, tell me what you guys think about Apple. Be sure to subscribe to the channel for more of these options trades and profit making techniques on options and stocks and whatnot, into a lot of wealth building strategies. Be sure to subscribe, check out my stuff. Alright guys, thanks for watching.